everyone, so before I start I just want to say, if you can see like a weird patch here, I accidentally smudged my lipstick earlier and I tried to fix it but it didn't go too well, and I have like a white patch surrounded with an orange circle there. So hopefully if you can see it, please ignore it, and if you can't see it, that's amazing. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a different sort of video to what I would normally do, and I know it's probably not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but personally, like, any sort of cleaning videos on YouTube are like my favourite. I love them. Like, speed cleaning videos are my absolute favourite. I watch them like all the time to motivate me to clean my house. Well, I live with my mum, so it's not like my house, but you know what I mean. And yeah, I thought I would show my favourite cleaning products because I love watching these. Like, it helps me find new products that I think might suit me, and yeah, I just thought I'd film it. So I have all my cleaning products in this big Morrisons bag, so if you hear a lot of rustling around, that's why. By the way, like, none of this is sponsored or anything, it's just the stuff that I buy all the time because I love them, they smell good, they do a good job, and I love cleaning. I hate tidying, but cleaning I would happily do all day, every day if I didn't work. So the first thing I've pulled out are these Morrisons Antibacterial Multi-Purpose Wipes. There's 40 in a pack, and these are the citrus scent. Now, I have tried other brands, like the Dettol ones are good, but they're a lot more pricey, so I'd buy them if they were on offer, but otherwise I just stick to these. I've tried ones from other places which are cheap and have a lot more in, but they're so thin and they dry up so quick. Like, I just go back to these all the time, and if they're on offer I'll stock up on like quite a few packs. If not, I'll just buy two because I do get through quite a lot. Now, I use these with another spray just so I don't use as many because they don't like dry up, if that makes sense. So I'll spray the side and then wipe it with these. So it's kind of getting like a double antibacterialization. Is that a thing? Don't know. I know like mixing products is dangerous, but I've been doing it for ages and it's just what I find easiest. And I just use these on like all of my sides, in my kitchen, my bathroom. You know, if there's a mark on the floor and I can't be bothered to get the mop out, I will just rub it with one of these. They're just so handy. You know, if you use like a cleaning rag, you have to keep running back and forth, rinsing it out, spraying more product, and I find it leaves like little bits of black sort of dust everywhere, like where you've cleaned. Even if you rinse it out, it still just has little bits on it, whereas this, once it gets dirty, you can chuck it away, and if you clean in the toilet or anything as well, you're not spreading any germs around because it can just be tossed straight into the bin. So the spray that I use with that is the Dettol Lime and Pomegranate, I can never say it, oh my god, Pomegranate scent, and this also kills 99.9% of bacteria. I think most sprays and stuff like that do. So it comes in a nice big bottle, it's 1000 ml. You can use it on pretty much any hard surface, including like your toilet seats, floors, sinks, baths, taps, draining boards, showers, anything that's wipeable, and it smells so good and there's so much in it, like it lasts for a really long time, and these are quite often on offer as well. So another favourite is Zoflora, and this is in the scent Linen Fresh. Oh, I can't get it out. So I have used a little bit of this already, but I have a few bottles downstairs. I bought them all from, I think it was Poundland. I know they were about £1 each anyway, like a bargain. And you can get like big bottles of this, but I just stick to the little ones just because I find, I don't know, I'd rather buy loads of little ones for cheaper and have like loads of different scents than one big bottle of one scent and get bored of it. I don't know, but this is probably my favourite scent, along with, I think it's Winter Spice, but you can generally only get it like over Christmas. But it just smells of clean cotton, and yeah, it's a concentrated disinfectant, and you're meant to dilute it like 1 to 40 with water. You can use this in like any hard surface or in your toilet, and it says that you can use it where pets are kept as long as it's dry. One thing that people love to do with this is put it in a spray bottle with some water and use it as an air freshener, and it's so much stronger than like any air fresheners out there, and also wherever you spray it, it's gonna antibacterialize, which is always a bonus. But what I do with this, I pour some in my spray mop with a bit of water and then use it all over my floors, and not only does it make the house smell super amazing, like honestly, I will use it downstairs in the living room and I can smell it up here in my bedroom. It's so strong, I mean, it's just great. And I also fill the sink with a bit of this and hot water, and it spreads the scent through the house. I'll sometimes put some on a wet cloth, wipe it around any surfaces, and it's just one of those cleaning products that I mainly just use because it smells amazing. Next is another Dettol product, and this is in Orchid Blossom, and it's an all-in-one antibacterial spray. Now this basically does the same thing as this, except this is an aerosol spray. Probably shouldn't have sprayed that in my camera, but I use this on all like hard surfaces, and then this, oh my god, I'm like choking on it. So I use this on like any hard surfaces, and then this you don't have to wipe away. So I can spray it on my curtains, on my mattress. It says you can use it on dog beds and stuff like that. Anywhere that is like a soft surface, like your sofas, cushions, it basically does the same thing as that, apart from you can spray it on furniture, which is absolutely amazing. I've been wishing for something like this for ages. Didn't even know it existed until I saw it in someone else's video. Next is just your bog standard bleach, but we use the one from Morrisons, the Citrus Thick Bleach. And yeah, I just use this like in the toilets, in the sink. I sometimes use it on the kitchen sides if I've been preparing food. And obviously you need to make sure you wash it away thoroughly because bleach is toxic. But bleach, you can't go wrong with bleach. I think everybody has bleach in the house. So the next thing is Windolene, and I obviously use this to clean my windows and my mirrors and everything like that. And I do have one of those like electric window cleaner things, but it always needs charging and I can never be bothered to wait. So I find this like really quick, just spray it on and then wipe it around, maybe get some tissue or newspaper, something like rough, to rub it in and get rid of any smears, things like that. I'm not a big fan of the smell just because it smells like your bog standard window cleaning scent, like it's not, you know, like fruity or anything like that, but it's cheap and it does the job. Okay, next is talcum powder. What's it called? Oh my god. So next is Shake and Back, and this is by Glade, and it's in the scent Lily of the Valley, and it just smells gorgeous. Now, we don't have any carpets in the house, it's all laminate floor, so I know you're meant to use this on carpet, but I just I don't spray a pile. I sprinkle some on the floor, suck it up with the Hoover, and you know how Hoovers can like emit quite a bad smell? Well, if you Hoover this up, then the smell like comes out of the air vent and it fills your house with this gorgeous smell. And yeah, I'd never dream of hoovering up without this because it makes your house smell a little bit funny, especially if you have like dogs or anything like that. So next is a product for your washing machine, and it's the Lenor Unstoppables, and oh my god, these are the best things ever. So we normally use the gold one of this, I'm not sure what it's called, but I've decided to try this spring scent just because it smells incredible. Like, I've not actually used this in my wash yet, but there's these little holes up here, so if you squeeze it you can smell it, and these just smell incredible. Like, you just throw some in your wash, and if you use this on your bedding will stay like smelling fresh until you next wash it. Like, you can literally smell it for so long, and it makes your house smell gorgeous as well, like if you wash your clothes with this, although it is a bit pricey, so I tend to just save it for like my nice clothes or my bedding and stuff like that. So the last thing is super boring, but it's a necessity, and it's washing up liquid, but this is the Morrisons Lemon Blast washing up liquid. And we don't have a dishwasher, so we get through tons of this, and we need like a really heavy duty one because we have 3 people in the house, and like I said, we don't have a dishwasher, so all like pots and pans, everything like that need to be seriously scrubbed down with this. So I literally just pour like a pea-sized dot into the sink, and the bubbles are insane. The amount of times I've put way too much in and I've had to empty the sink because the bubbles are just, there's like hardly any water, it's just all bubbles, and it's just so good, and it smells amazing as well. I love the apple one, but my mum doesn't like it, so if she buys it, she will buy the lemon one. But yeah, like, this is just as good, if not better than Fairy. No offense to Fairy, I'm sure you're amazing, but I love this, and it's so cheap as well. Like, if you don't have a dishwasher and you need some heavy duty washing up liquid, please try this. Like, it is so good. So yeah, that's pretty much all of my favourite cleaning products, apart from, you know, like your drain cleaner, oven cleaner, stuff like that. And I honestly like could not live without any of these cleaning products. They make cleaning life so much easier. But if any of you have any recommendations of your favourite things, then leave them down in the comments below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, I honestly really do appreciate it. It's so hard to get views nowadays, but yeah, thanks so much, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!